Alright guys, so I've been doing some reading here, all about two-stroke ports, how they breathe, how to measure all the different transfer, all that fun stuff. So anyways, it looks like a whole bunch of numbers and super confusing, and it's really not. Alright, so this just finished this morning. I put this on the CNC mill, set it up this morning. We'll take it off in a minute. I cut a center transfer port. Everyone said I'm kind of going to need it with the way I cut the edges, which I agree. So, anyways, I got this done. I'm going to take it out, and I'll show you in a minute. Alright, so if you guys found all this interesting, this guy was the guy I was talking about. I was watching on YouTube, cut a Yd100 apart, and everyone's like, yes, but this was the guy I originally saw a while back, and I lost track of his account. And he completely parted the head off one, made a gasket, and put the head back on it. So, I never got to see the head go back on it till the other day. He commented on my video, but if you guys want to see some pretty cool stuff with a Yd100, check out his channel. This was the guy that I was talking about. I originally got the idea where I wanted to change the head and stuff on one. So, check him out. Alright, so the central scavenging port is complete. So, it came out pretty good. Looks decent. So, I think this is going to work pretty good. It's pretty damn close. I couldn't go any further in this area just because of how thick the wall is there around the port. So, is what it is, but it's pretty damn close by almost ridiculous margins. So, this looks awesome. And I know the lynch mob's going to come after me for this, so I want to explain the whole process, what we're going to try and do at this. So the reason I clear cut that, this is going to be used with a reed valve. So the reed valve is going to be working on this build. So what it is as the piston goes up, alright, it's sucking air fuel mix in through this slot into the case, right? Goes up, it fires, it comes down, now my exhaust is exiting, it's coming back down, and it's compressing the fuel in here. Mind you, the reed valve's holding anything from coming out. Gets down, gets to this point, both side transfers, now release everything in the case up into the head. It's coming back up as it's now pulling in new fuel air mix too into the case. It goes up, it fires, expels the exhaust, and compresses the air fuel mix in the case, comes back up, and the air fuel mix is now coming through the side transfers first. It goes back up, it's now pulling new air fuel mix in at the same time. It goes up, fires, exhaust, back down, side transfers, now put the new fuel air mix into the cylinder, and we're going back up again. So, you guys get how this works, right? Alright, so basically what I did, and I'm not going to use a windowed piston in this either, so essentially I just made a windowed piston on crack without using a windowed piston, so we'll see. Alright, peace.